Hello, welcome. My name is Kelly with a tiny bit of this. I'd like to share with you my latest creation. This project was made for my sister to give to a very special person, so I needed to make sure that this album was very special. So I have been wanting to do a shaker cover album. I've wanted to do a couple of other things that are in here, so I kind of combined all of the things that I've been wanting to do into one album. This is a very chunky album. It is a safari themed album, and it was created for someone who does not know if she's having a boy or girl yet. So I needed to be a little creative to make it not too boyish or girlish, so I'm hoping I hit the spot. And as I said, this is a shaker cover. So it consists of all these little shaky pieces and some little safari animals floating in there and some little leaves that I had cut out. So if you just take the album, you can see that they just shake all around. Some of them get stuck a little, but that's okay. They just shake around like that. And then I have another little special feature. That is a shaker on the spine. This has a little hippo in here with a balloon, and if you shake him just right, he will travel up and down the spine. Okay. So stinking cute. I love this feature. I always create a little name tag plate here, or some type of a little addition to the front of the cover that always gives a little something to the person who's receiving this album. So this one says, "Know in your heart that you were loved." Okay, we're going to move it over. I'm going to try and keep it to frame so I can flip over the cover. Now the cover, front inside cover, has what we call a deconstructive envelope. Flips open and open, where you have areas for photos or journaling. So let's find a photo. I think you could put a photo here, and journal. Then the center section is closed by this absolutely adorable doily that I had purchased, oh gosh, many years ago at a craft fair. I just loved it. It was so cute. Been waiting for the right project to put this in. This flips up and this flips down, and it stores whatever you'd like to store into the center. So you can add all of your photos. Let's see, you can add some loose photos like this in here, and then just shut it, and it will keep all those loose things together. I have decided to add some fun little tags. So there's some journaling cards you can see here, a photo frame, and then I have an envelope filled with smaller journaling cards, and a little envelope here that has photo corners in it. And then in here we have more journaling cards and a couple little tags that I had made. It says first Christmas, first Easter. And in this envelope there are tags. You can write what you want in here, and speech bubbles. I don't know what they are. Let me quick get one out. Maybe quick. I don't know if it's going to be quick, but let's see. Not too bad. And it is a little speech bubble to where you put with a photo to say what that person is saying or thinking or whatever. So throw some of those in there as well. I threw in this nice little card that says, "May you touch dragonflies and stars, dance with the fairies and talk to the moon. May you grow up with love and gracious hearts and people who care." And then, since she doesn't know if she's having a boy or girl, I created both signs that say our baby boy and our baby girl that she can attach anywhere she wants in this book, or just leave right here. Then at the top, which I think is a little frame maybe, the top and the bottom have this little pocket here, and at the bottom, as you can see, it's just a I have a journal tag, another little envelope for the locket of hair, and then up top I have another tag and another envelope that maybe the baby bracelet might fit in here. I don't have my kids, so I can't test, but so that is the envelope. This goes back and tucks under this little band and then comes through this band at the bottom and then just kind of stays right in between. You don't have to use it as a closure, but it's there if you'd like it to be a closure. And then this closes by magnets. And then if you go over to the actual book, like I said, it's super chunky. It is made to hold 12 months worth of photos and memories and journal cards and all kinds of goodies. So how this is created, it's got 6 signatures. So each signature, see if I can find the end, each signature, okay, this is one signature, and you can see that it is attached on a spine, okay? These pages are attached on one spine, and they create, this is 2 months of photos. In between 2 months of photos are these pockets, and then it repeats itself. So the next 2 months are on the next spine with pockets in between. So I'm just going to quickly go through the pages so you can see the gorgeous papers, and I will show you just a quick glance of how you are or how you can create the story by using these photo spots. Alright, so we have here, let me see if I can find the right photo to put here. Oops, not that one. Let's do this one. This one's a little bit bigger than a 5x7. Printed that off of my computer, but as you can see, a 5x7 would fit perfect right there. And then as you flip the page, it's easiest to go like under or above to flip. Now you have a portrait matting where you could put a portrait photo. Then here's a spot for some journaling. And here you can put a landscape journal, a landscape photo with more journaling. And then a photo, journaling, a photo, and journaling. So there's the section for month 1 photos. Then you have your pockets that go in between month 1 and 2. This pocket holds a card that is very easily to create a story for maybe an event you've gone to, where you put the photo on the cover, or maybe right on the cover, put a photo here. You can also put a photo in this direction and right here, or put 2 photos. You can put smaller photos, you know, like that. And then we're going to go to the second pocket, and this has a pull-out tag, and the tag is created for you to journal on. You can put a smaller photo here if you don't want to cover up the safari animal, and then you can also stick some photos on the back of here in any direction, and then put it right back into the pocket. You can attach your photos with glue dots or just a little dab of glue in the corners, or use photo corners. The next pocket is a really special pocket, and it is a see-through window pocket, which is fantastic. I love these pockets. So this you can stick and showcase one of your most fabulous photos, just like that. Or you can use it to hold multiple photos, or maybe you have a photo that is larger than the 4x6 in the wrong direction and you want to keep it so where you can see it. You can stick a couple photos on there. You can stick the birth certificate in here, whatever you want. Be creative. And then the last pocket is like a tuck spot, has a journaling card. However, you can add some more photos. Then it starts with month 2. As you can see, each one of the, where it starts the month, it has a little safari animal that you can just lift up the head. Photo can tuck right under it, just like that. If you have some smaller photos, again, you can do this. Okay. You can have one and then write about it. And now we're starting on our second section. You can always see by the spine. This is month 3 and 4. Starts with month 3. Pocket. Each safari animal card is different. Each background window is different. Four. Five. Pocket. Pull out tag. See-through pocket. Tuck spot. Month 6. Month 7. Month 8, not month 8. Pocket. Pull out tag. Clear window pocket. Tuck spot. Month 8. Month 9. Now before I go any further, I'd like to just talk about this construction of this album. When you get into the more chunkier albums, sometimes they don't lay real well for you to view the album, and as soon as you put your hands up, the whole book closes. I think that this book is not closing and it's staying open pretty well is because of this spine that I had made. Hidden Hinge Plus. So I'm calling it the spine, but it's actually a hinge. So these signatures go on this hinge. So it's the Hidden Hinge Plus. There's Hidden Hinge, and then there's Hidden Hinge Plus. I really like this. This is the first time I've used this. And then we've got month 9. Pockets. Pull tag. Another fabulous see-through window, and a pull tag. Month 10. Aren't they so cute? I just love, love, love these little animals. Like that. And They are just too cute. Some of them I got on the internet, just as a free download. You can tuck just one photo in. Of course, come on, ears, come up. Again, more than one photo if you'd like. And even though these are not a plain mat, they're still meant to be a mat. You can see, just to give it a little bit of a different border. Tuck spot, pull out tag, clear window, tuck spot, and then the last month is right here. So as you can see, each month holds 6 photos, and then you have the center section pockets for each month. And no matter where you are in this album, it's going to stay semi-open, not fall on your arms or anything like that. That's what I really love about this spine.